Hello everyone! For today's video is I'm making what is called, I don't know, but yeah, keep on watching and find out what is it. It's just simple, but it's so yummy and healthy. Okay. So the ingredients are simple. What's this? Ham, tomato, mozzarella, and
olive oil.
Can I have the olive oil? Olive oil, and what else?
Capers.
What is that? Capers. Wait, give me. These capers. And what is that? The other one.
And this is pesto.
And pesto, okay. So first cut the mozzarella into thin slices. Next is cut the tomatoes into thin slices, like how you cut the mozzarella. My chef is good. Thank you, chef. So we use 2 tomatoes and 1 pack of mozzarella. Prepare, you put it on the bowl and do it simultaneously. So mozzarella next to tomato. Ganun. Yun lang, ganun lang, hanggang sa lahat may mozzarella. Is it enough ba? Yan. Wrap sa wow, sarap naman yan. Promise, masarap to. You have to try it. No, you have to put that, my love. I want more tomato. Yes. And the 2 other one. Yan, ganun lang. Now, it's time for a taste test. Okay? I'm gonna use my hands, of course. Try na natin. So, tomato plus the tomato, ham, and then the mozzarella. So it's gonna be like this. Yan siya. Harap. Promise. My God, so good. And that's it. I'm gonna eat more, and thank you for watching. Cheers!
Ja, goed.
I can finish the whole. Bye!
You can, but